Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to TeamViewer Y. So today we're taking a look at the Edifier ES300, and for this one I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and overview. We've also covered some of the other ES speakers, and I'll link those videos in the description below. So what can you expect with the Edifier ES300? Well, let's take a look. Alright, so unboxing the Edifier ES300, you get the speaker itself, as well as a power cable, a USB cable for connectivity, a 3.5mm audio cable, as well as some paperwork including your quick start guide and some instructions. Now it does come in two different colors, including black and white, and obviously we do have the black version here. And Edifier says that the ES300 is made with a wooden case with a leather-like texture on the outside, and yeah, it looks pretty classy, and I do like the somewhat retro design of the speaker overall. Now the speaker also comes with a lighting system, and it does make for a unique look overall. Now on top, you get the controls for the speaker, which includes your power button, as well as other controls for adjusting the volume, your play and pause button, connectivity modes, and you can also adjust the lighting system on here. It's a pretty straightforward design, and you shouldn't have any trouble navigating the controls on the ES300. The back is pretty simple as well, and you do get a USB-A input port as well as a 3.5mm audio port, and both of these will come in handy if you're connecting your speaker physically to other devices. Of course, there's also a port for your power supply here, which you can use to charge the battery. The ES300 does come with a pretty large battery inside, which Edifier says can last for up to 12 hours, all on a single charge. This should make it ideal for parties and other occasions where you might need to bring along a speaker, which can last for pretty much half a day. In addition to the wired connectivity options, you also get Bluetooth version 5.4, and you can also connect up to 2 devices to the ES300, so you can switch between 2 different audio sources. It also works with Apple AirPlay, so you can stream music from your iOS devices. You can also group multiple ES300 speakers, which makes for a more immersive listening experience. You get a pair of 1.25-inch silk dome tweeters, along with a 4-inch long throw mid-bass driver. This makes for a very powerful bass sound, and while it's not the most accurate representation of what the ES300 sounds like, here's a quick sample of how it sounds, at least when recorded through my camera. Now for further customization and control, you can also use the Edifier Home app to configure other additional controls on the ES300. Now in terms of pricing, the Edifier ES300 starts at around $400, but I've seen it go lower than that for maybe around $250 or $270, depending of course on where you're buying your speaker from. As with the rest of the Edifier ES lineup, it does come with a really classy look, powerful sound, and I do like the additional ambient lighting feature that's built into the speaker itself. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Edifier ES300 in the comments below. Are you gonna get one, or are you gonna get some of the other speakers in the ES lineup? Don't forget to check out the other videos here on TeamViewer Y. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.